The Nigerian Army College of Logistics and Management, NACM, has flagged off its graduation ceremony for the Logistics Staff Course 22 of 2025, beginning with a thought-provoking lecture held at the college's permanent site in Lagos. Nigerian Army College of Logistics and Management played host to top military officials, logisticians, and special guests as the graduation activities kicked off with an academic lecture. Declaring the event open, Commandant of the college, Major General Wisdom Benjamin, welcomed participants and charged officers to remain committed to learning and innovation in military logistics.
The world is constantly changing, and as logisticians, you must adapt, innovate, and live with confidence and courage. I urge you to continue learning, to stay focused, and to embrace change as opportunities for growth and development. My remarks this morning will not be complete without acknowledging the invaluable and continuous support of the Chief of Staff, Lieutenant General Olufemi Oluyede, esteemed holder of the General Medal among several other awards, decorations, and honors, whose efforts have enabled the college to enhance our training capacity, particularly as we have already begun to conduct the junior leadership and leadership courses concurrently for the first time. This has further solidified our commitment to excellence in military training and professional military education.
The special guest of honor delivered the graduation lecture titled Effective Logistic Support in Joint Military Operations. He posed a fundamental question: can logistics be sustained after delivery? Emphasizing that sustainability is the true measure of effectiveness.
It's one thing for you to move forces from one place to another in operation, but it's an entirely different thing for you to sustain them there. And so what is going to come out successfully, and more importantly, throughout the discussion is going to be the effectiveness of logistics. Can it be sustained? Can you sustain logistics where your delivery is?
Drawing from operational experiences in Liberia and northeast Nigeria, the guest speaker identified key challenges, including delays in adapting to evolving technologies like artificial intelligence in logistics support. He highlighted the importance of dynamic operational concepts and the need for responsive logistics in joint military operations.
Throughout history, we've had cases of military support, but I think the greatest one that always resonates with history is the Normandy landing in 1944, 6th of June precisely. We know the settlement that was happening, Germany invading Russia, and then we had the German forces on one side, the Allies on the other side. At the time, it was just the front were moving towards France, and the Allied forces needed to do something. Now, US, Canada, Britain came together. Initially, they were planning an invasion by land, but that was disastrous. And of course, they had to contemplate the Normandy landing. What we need to take out of this is a shared kind of assemblage of logistics for that operation. Over 276,000 troops were deployed. Over 5,000 ships were involved. Over 4,500 aircrafts. And then, of course, the casualties were also represented. On the Allied side, over 10,000 troops lost, and on the German side, about 4,000 to 5,000 troops were lost. But the beauty and the success of it was how the team was assembled to ensure that troops were successfully landed where they intended to.
As the session came to a close, Major General Edit applauded the graduating students, encouraging them to apply their knowledge in service to the nation and thanked the Commandant for upholding high standards.
The Armed Forces of Nigeria is continuing to move logistics from being a limiting factor to becoming a competitive advantage. It is now your moment to rise as to start to equip the knowledge of building and sustaining logistic systems upon which the missions of tomorrow will depend. Your mission starts now. I charge you to devise with clarity, competence, and courage. Before I leave the podium, I will not be fair not to appreciate the commandants and the esteemed members of faculty.
Thank you very much, sir.
Chairman of the Planning Committee gave the vote of thanks, appreciating all dignitaries and participants for their presence.
Our sincere gratitude goes to the Chief of Army Staff, Lieutenant General O.O. Bluyede, Nigeria Army Medal, whose interest in training and professionalizing the Nigerian Army has provided the enabling environment and support for this lecture to take place.
With logistics playing an ever-critical role in modern warfare, NACAM continues to position its graduates at the front line of innovation and strategic support within the Nigerian Armed Forces.